Students, today let us have a new concept. Today I am going to discuss three-dimensional geometry. It's so easy and very important chapter, students. So the thing is, those who feel vectors as easy, for them 3D also becomes so easy, because we discuss complete 3D on vector chapter only. Everywhere we use vector concepts, same formula, same thing, right? Let us take first concept, direction ratios. So direction ratios and direction cosines of a line. Same thing, students, same thing you learned in vectors also. Here also I am going, in 3D also I am going to tell same thing, same concept, everything is same. Look at this, students. 3D, three-dimensional geometry, x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, origin. Let us take a line L. I am taking line. Usually in 3D we represent lines by the symbol L. L means line. What is L? Line. So now let you take A, B, C. Let A, B, C are drs of line L. Look at this, students. You assume the direction ratios of line L. You assume or you take the direction ratios of line L are ABC. Now let's find out direction cosines. As usual, even in vectors also we did the same thing. You assume line L makes an angle alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis and gamma with z-axis. What is the angle between line and x-axis? Alpha. What is the angle between line and y-axis? Beta. Angle between line and z-axis? Gamma. Then DCs are given by or defined by. So tell me that, students, as usual, L is equal to A by L means cos alpha. A by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Same formula we used in vectors also. Look at this. The difference between vector and line. If I consider vector is having particular direction. Since vector is having particular direction, I should take L is equal to A by M is equal to cos beta. M is equal to cos beta. So that is D by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Next, M is equal to, tell me N, cos gamma. Tell me that C by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Same thing we discussed for vectors also, students. So this is, look at this. You observe this, students, the difference between vector and line. If I take line, I can think of this line in two directions. Since it is having no direction, line is having no direction, I can take the line either in this direction or in this direction. If I take line in this direction, the distances can be taken as plus A by, plus B by, plus C by. If I think of line in opposite direction, I can take this as minus A by, minus B by, minus C by. no direction. Line is having no direction. Line ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ, ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಟ್. In for vectors we are going to get one set, only one set of DCs, whereas for line we will get two sets. That means you can use plus or minus, you can write plus or minus. Here also you can use plus or minus. I hope you are understanding, students, why that plus or minus. If I take line in this direction, so you take plus plus plus. If I think of the same line in the opposite direction, I should take what? Minus A, minus B, minus C. But this won't happen in case of vectors, because for a vector there must be a particular direction. I should not use plus or minus. I hope you understood the difference between vector and line. Even for lines also, even in lines also, if you forget to write plus or minus, it is also correct. Need not to buy it. DCs. Tell me that line. So let ABCD direction ratios, DRs of a line. L means lineal. Then DCs are given by L equals cos alpha equals plus or minus A by B. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎರಡು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಏನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಡಿಆರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸಿಸ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀದಿದ್ದು ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Plus or minus ಬರಿದೆದು ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. You write that same thing, right? Further we have this n square plus m square plus n square is always 1. This you see in vectors also. N square and add. That is a square. Same denominators are the numerators. A square plus b square plus c square by root get cancels. A square plus b square plus c square cancel it, you will get what? 1. Should I show that n square plus m square plus n square is 1? If you wish, you can show that. How much is n square? Square this. Plus square plus minus square plus a square by in the denominator root get cancels. A square plus b square plus c square. Next b square by a square plus b square plus c square plus n square means c square by a square plus b square plus c square is equal to what? So right, is equal to same denominators. So this is m square plus m square. So right, is equal to 1 or 1. So same denominators are the numerators. A square plus b square plus c square by a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1. 1 is equal to what? 1. Proved. So what is the value of m square plus m square plus n square? 1. Or so one more, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. What is L? Cos alpha. N means cos alpha, n square means cos square alpha, m means cos beta, m square means cos square beta, n means cos gamma, m square, same thing. I hope you understood, students. You know this. You should write that. So useful concepts. Next, let's move on to one more concept. So DRs of a line joining 2 points. So next, let us go for. So write. Next concept, DRs of a line. So DRs of a line joining 2 points. DRs of a line joining 2 points. A x1 y1 z1 x1 y1 z1 and b x2 y2 z2. So direction ratios of a line joining 2 points a x1 y1 z1 b x2 y2 z2. Look at this figure, students. a x1 y1 z1 b x2 y2 z2. Right, 2 points on a line are given. 2 points on a line are known. How to calculate drs of this line? I use vector method, students. To find drs of this line, I use vector method. Point given, change that into vector. Vector OA. Vector OA. Tell me vector OA, position vector. x1i plus y1j plus z1k. So point B given, you change this point into vector. Vector OB. Vector OB x2i plus y2j plus z2k. AB vector AB OB minus OA. OB minus OA. Tell me OB, students. x2i. I write directly x2i minus x1i. OB minus OA. x2i minus x1i. Tell me directly x2 minus x1i. I write x2 OB first. x2i plus y2j plus z2k. Multiply vector OA by minus. Vector OA by minus x1i minus y1j minus z1k. Simplify. What is common from that? I is common. Tell me remaining. x2 minus x1 into I. Next, what is common from these two? J. y2 minus y1 into j plus z2 minus z1 into k. So look at the students. Tell me drs. So tell me drs of vector AB. Vector AB, line AB same. Vector AB and line AB are same. Tell me direction ratios of line AB or vector AB. Direction ratios. Drs means scalar components. I told this word so many times. So right, drs, direction ratios means scalar components. Now tell me drs of the line AB. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. That implies drs. Direction ratios means scalar components. Tell me scalar components of this vector. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So vector AB is same as line AB. Line vector same, right? So right, drs of line AB are drs of line AB are x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1. Observe this carefully, students. If 2 points on a line are given, A, you take this as, represent this as A, drs of a line A, B, C. You take this as B, you take this as C. C is equal to. So ABC, direction ratios, ABC. We represent drs by what? ABC. What is A? x2 minus x1. What is B? y2 minus y1. C means z2 minus z1. So if 2 points on a line are given, how do you calculate direction ratios? ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಡಿಆರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಬಿಸಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ? x2 minus x1 is equal to A. B ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ? B is equal to y2 minus y1. C means z2 minus z1. Now let's go for one more concept. So right, direction cosines. Direction cosines of direction cosines. They are going to ask ask one more question on this. Direction cosines of x-axis, comma, y-axis, and z-axis. Direction cosines of x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Look at this, students. It is so easy. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis, origin. If I take line, carefully observe. If I take line, angle between line and x-axis is alpha. Angle between line and y-axis is beta. Angle between line and z-axis is gamma. Angle between line and x-axis is alpha. You remember this. You buy this. Angle between line and x-axis is always alpha. Angle between line and y-axis is always beta. Angle between line and z-axis is always gamma. In the place of line L, if I imagine x-axis, then tell me alpha, beta, gamma. Line ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x axis ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ alpha, beta, gamma ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? Alpha means angle between line and x axis ಅಲ್ಲ, x axis and x axis. Because line means x axis. Line means x axis. What is alpha then? Angle between x axis and x axis. Beta is angle between line means x axis. Beta is angle between x axis and y axis. Gamma is angle between x axis and z axis. Did you catch that? ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಗಾಮಾ. ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ? ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಬೀಟಾ ಏನು? ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. You imagine x axis in the place of line. What is beta then? Angle between x axis and y axis. Angle between x axis and z axis. Right. Tell me alpha. For x axis, alpha is. So tell me angle between x axis and x axis. 0. What is the angle between x axis and x axis? 0 degree. Beta. So 0 degree. Beta means angle between x axis and y axis, 90 degree. Gamma means what is the angle between x axis and z axis? 90 degree. X axis is perpendicular to y axis. X axis is perpendicular to z axis, correct? So 90 degree. Now calculate DCs of x axis. DCs of x axis. Tell me DCs of x axis. L equals cos alpha. Cos alpha means 0 degree. How much is cos 0? 1. M equals cos beta. So cos 90 degree, 0. So M is equal to cos gamma. Cos gamma is 90 degree. So 0. Tell me DCs of x axis. 1, 0, 0. They are going to ask one more question. Find the DCs of x axis. You need not to calculate these things. It is enough if you write 1, 0, 0. This is for x axis. For y axis. ಈಗ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ y axis ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ? y axis. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, y axis ಅಂಡ್ x axis. ಎಷ್ಟು? 90. Alpha 90 degree. Beta angle between line and y axis ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೀಗ y axis and y axis 0 degree. 0. So gamma 90 degree. So calculate DCs of y axis. So DCs of y-axis are, DCs of y-axis are L equals cos alpha. Yes, cos alpha, cos 90 degree. So tell me cos 90 degree, 0. M equals cos beta. So that is cos beta is 0 degree. So yes, cos 0, 1. So n equals cos gamma. So cos gamma is 90 degree. So again 0. Similarly for z-axis. For z-axis. For z-axis. Tell me alpha value. Alpha angle between z-axis and x-axis 90. Beta line ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ you take z-axis. Z-axis and y-axis 90 degree. So gamma. So 90 90 z-axis and z-axis 0 degree. So what is the DCs of z-axis? 0 0 1, right? So that implies L equals 0, M equals 0, N equals 1. Now I am going to write one more questions on this, students. You need not to practice these things. You practice one more questions which I am going to explain now, right? So right now look at this. One more question. Find the BCs of x-axis. Find the DCs of x-axis. Solution. Answer is 1 0 0. So tell me DCs of x-axis 1 0 0. Second one. Find the DCs of y-axis. Tell me DCs of y-axis, students. 0 1 0. What are the DCs of y-axis? 0 1 0. This answer enough. Solution. So next, third question. Find the or write the DCs of z-axis. So tell me DCs of z-axis, students. 0 0 1, correct? So these questions enough. Now let us go for solving some more one mark questions. So I hope you are understanding, students. If a line, I hope you are understanding. So right. If a line makes angle 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree with the positive direction of x, y and z-axis respectively. Find the direction cosines. Find the direction cosines. Let us find the DC, students. Solution. DC is required. I think alpha, beta, gamma given. Alpha, angle made by line and x-axis alpha. Angle made by vector and x-axis alpha. Vectors 3D, same concept. Alpha There in vectors, there we take angle between vector and x-axis. Here we take line and x-axis, same thing. So 11 are given. So write L equals d6. L equals cos alpha. Alpha given. Tell me how much is alpha? 90 degree. Beta 60 degree. Gamma 30 degree. Calculate that. L equals cos alpha. So cos alpha 90 degree. How much is cos 90? 0. Cos 90 degree 0. So m equals cos beta. So cos, tell me beta value 60 degree. Cos 60, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. If sin 60 root 3 by 2, how much will be that cos 60? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So n cos gamma, that is cos 30 degree. So sin 30 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So the one more question students. 0 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. Let us solve one more question of the same type. If a line makes an angle, if a line makes an angle 90 degree, 135 degree, 45 degree with x, y and z axis, x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Find the direction cosines. Same students, this is alpha, beta, gamma are given. Solution. So alpha equals 90 degree, beta equals 135 degree, so gamma equals 45 degree. Use that to calculate this. L equals cos alpha. Cos alpha is 90 degree. Tell me cos 90? 0. So beta equals cos m equals cos beta. Cos beta means 135 degree. So 135, set it for 180. 180 minus 45. Cos 180 minus 45. 180 degree minus 45. How much is 180 minus 45? 135. 180 minus theta. Which quadrant is that? Second. 180 minus theta. Second quadrant. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. 0 to 180. 180 plus theta. Third quadrant. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant, ASTC. So write ASTC. In second quadrant, sign is positive, cos is negative. So negative. Usually function will not change. So far we have not solved problems in which function is changed. Change agonna madilla tala kediskovadi. Minus cos 45 degree. So minus 1 by root 2. This question has been asked in that last recent exam. Last exam అనేది కేడిద 0 minus 1 by root 2. n is equal to cos gamma. So that is cos gamma means 45 degree. So is to cos 45 1 by root 2. 0 minus 1 by root 2 1 by root 2. I hope you understood students. Let us stop this class. Thank you.